Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use TradingView alerts. First, navigate to your chart and locate the alert icon, which looks like a clock. Click it to open the alert creation window. Here, you can define the specific conditions that will trigger your alert. This powerful feature ensures you never miss a critical market event, allowing you to stay informed and make timely decisions without constantly monitoring your screen. Next, let's explore the different alert conditions available. You can set an alert to trigger when a price crosses a certain level, is greater than a specific value, or even when an indicator like the RSI reaches a particular threshold. You can also specify the time frame for the alert from 1 minute to 1 month. This flexibility allows you to tailor alerts precisely to your trading strategy. Once your conditions are set, customize how you receive notifications. TradingView offers several options, including email, a pop-up on your screen, or even a webhook for advanced integrations. You can also choose to play a distinct sound or send a text message to your phone. Decide if the alert should expire after one trigger or continue to repeat, giving you full control over your alert management. Finally, managing your alerts is straightforward. Access the Alerts tab to see all your active and previously triggered alerts. From here, you can easily edit the conditions of an existing alert, delete it if it's no longer needed, or review its history. This centralized management system helps you keep track of your market monitoring, ensuring your alerts are always up to date and effective for your trading.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.